Here's a delicious recipe for a funny, yummy toonie. The Fruity Rooster. For this recipe, you need 2 oranges, 1 lime, 1 blueberry, 1 dried apricot, and a slice of dried mango. Ask a grown-up to cut 1 orange in 2 and the other in 4. Use 1/4 of the lime to give the rooster a nice bushy tail. Use the slice of mango to make his feet. Don't forget the beak. Use the blueberry to make the rooster's eye and the apricot for his wing. A piece of orange peel can be used to make his crest. Yum, yum, yummy! It's your turn now. Come back soon for another recipe. Yum, yum, yummy!